You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Japanese. If you want to learn more useful Japanese vocabulary, how to pronounce pronunciation in Japanese, stay tuned. Hanami, the tradition of viewing and admiring cherry blossoms, very popular activity in Japan. Hanami. Hanami is the Japanese pronunciation. How to pronounce Hanami. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.